Welcome to another exciting Wealth Walk video, where I'm going to reveal how to make PayPal money with Google completely free. A powerful strategy to earn $500 per day worldwide. What's the secret? We're about to discover it together in this comprehensive guide to making PayPal money with Google for free. Before we dive in, I've noticed that only a small percentage of our viewers are subscribed to Wealth Walk. If you find value in this video, consider joining our community by subscribing and turning on notifications. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later. By subscribing, you'll be the first to learn about new money-making strategies, giving you an edge over others. The power of this method. I've personally made over $500 in just one day using this method. The process is surprisingly simple. All you need to do is copy some text and paste it into a completely free software tool. Those who stay until the end of this video will discover how to maximize their earnings, because I'll be revealing 3 additional websites alongside Google and a free tool that pays directly to PayPal. What makes this method particularly powerful is its accessibility and scalability. Unlike other online money-making strategies that require significant upfront investment or specialized skills, this approach leverages existing content and free tools to create income opportunities. Think about it. Most people spend hours scrolling through news articles every day without realizing there's a way to turn that same content into a profitable venture. The beauty of this system lies in its flexibility. You can work on this whenever you have free time, whether it's early morning, late at night, or during your lunch break. There's no schedule to follow, no boss to report to, and no complicated systems to learn. All you need is a computer or smartphone with internet access and the willingness to follow simple instructions. Don't worry if PayPal isn't available in your country, or if you prefer alternative payment methods. I'll show you how to receive payments through bank transfer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and other platforms. Let's begin this journey to financial freedom. Understanding the process. Your first step is to visit news.google.com. This platform is your gateway to the latest news and articles on topics from around the world. Think of it as your digital newspaper, offering everything from politics and business to technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Whatever topic interests you, you'll find it here. What makes Google News particularly valuable for our method is its constant updates and wide range of content. Every minute, new articles are being published across different categories, giving you an endless supply of material to work with. The platform's algorithm ensures that you're always seeing the most relevant and engaging content, which is crucial for our money-making strategy. Many people overlook Google News as just another news website, but savvy entrepreneurs understand its potential as a goldmine of opportunities. The platform's sophisticated curation system means you're always working with high-quality, professionally written content that can be transformed into valuable assets. This is crucial because the websites we'll be submitting to later are looking for well-researched, engaging content. You might be wondering how this translates into money. Stay with me, and you'll see exactly how this simple process works. While you'll find various categories on the left-hand side, including world news and local news, we want to focus specifically on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and especially health content. Let's look at a practical example. When you select the health category, you'll see all the latest health-related news and articles. For instance, you might find an article like "The Future of Plant-Based Protein, New Innovations Changing the Market," posted just yesterday. This type of content attracts significant reader interest. The magic of content transformation. Here's where the magic happens. We'll use a powerful tool called spinbot.com. This website will be your secret weapon in transforming the content you find into unique articles. Simply paste the text you've selected from Google News, and Spinbot will rewrite it completely, making it uniquely yours. Let me explain why this tool is so revolutionary for our method. Traditional content creation requires hours of research, writing, and editing. Many people spend days crafting a single article, and even then, they might struggle to make it engaging enough for publishers. But with Spinbot, you're starting with professionally written content and transforming it into something new and unique in minutes. The tool uses advanced artificial intelligence to understand the context of each sentence and rewrite it using different words while maintaining the same meaning. Think of it like having a professional writer who can instantly rewrite any article for you. The best part? You don't need any writing experience or special skills to use it. The software does all the heavy lifting, ensuring that your content reads naturally and professionally. What makes this particularly exciting is that some websites will pay you up to $1 per word for this content. Yes, you heard that correctly. $1 per word. When you consider that many articles contain hundreds or even thousands of words, you can quickly calculate the incredible earning potential. To put this in perspective, an average article of 1,000 words could earn you $1,000. That's more than many people make in a week at their regular jobs, and you can potentially complete several articles in a single day. Monetization platforms. The first platform where you can submit your transformed articles is eatingwell.com. This website pays contributors generously, up to $1 per word for quality content. Instead of spending days or weeks writing original articles, you can leverage our strategy to create unique, high-quality content in minutes. Imagine submitting a 500-word article and earning $500, all for less than an hour's work. The submission process is straightforward. Locate their contact information, send an email with your article attached, and wait for their response. They'll review your submission and, if approved, request your payment details, expanding your income streams. The second platform in our arsenal is sierraclub.org. While they focus more on technology and science content rather than health and fitness, the process remains the same. Find relevant articles on Google News, transform them using Spinbot, and submit them to their editorial team. What makes Sierra Club particularly valuable is their reputation in the environmental and technology sectors. They're known for publishing cutting-edge content about sustainable technology, scientific breakthroughs, and environmental innovations. Here's a pro tip when submitting to Sierra Club. Focus on trending topics in renewable energy, sustainable technology, or breakthrough scientific discoveries. These topics typically have higher acceptance rates and can lead to regular writing opportunities. The key is to look for Google News articles that discuss new technological developments or scientific research that aligns with Sierra Club's mission of environmental preservation and sustainable living. Our third platform, daily.gstore.org, offers slightly different rates, but provides another excellent opportunity to maximize your earnings. They typically request articles up to 2,000 words and pay around 31 cents per word. While this rate is lower than the others, it's still a significant earning opportunity, especially when you're using our efficient content creation method. Let me break down the numbers for you. A 2,000-word article at 31 cents per word equals $620 per article. Even if you only manage to get one article accepted per week, that's nearly $2,500 monthly for part-time work. What sets JSTOR apart is their focus on academic and educational content. They're particularly interested in articles that bridge the gap between academic research and general public interest. This means you should look for Google News articles that cover new research findings, educational trends, or historical perspectives on current events. The great thing about JSTOR is that they often develop ongoing relationships with contributors who consistently provide quality content, which can lead to regular, reliable income. Maximizing your success. The beauty of this system lies in its scalability. While not every article will be accepted, securing just one approval per day could earn you $500. The process is completely free to start, and you can begin immediately. Simply visit Google News, select your preferred categories, choose engaging articles, transform them using Spinbot, and submit them to these platforms. Remember, timing is crucial in this business. New articles appear on Google News every few hours, giving you endless opportunities to create fresh content. Save your transformed articles in a document or on your computer, and systematically submit them to these websites. Taking action today. Success with this method requires consistent action and attention to detail. While the tools and process are straightforward, your success will depend on choosing the right articles to transform and maintaining quality in your submissions. Focus on topics that are currently trending and align with each platform's specific requirements. Thank you for joining me on Wealth Walk today. If you found value in this strategy, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing with notifications turned on. This way,